Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super common issue that can leave you scratching your head: forgetting your Roku PIN. If you're watching this in 2025, Roku's interface might have some updates, but the core process stays straightforward. Don't worry, I'll walk you through resetting it step by step, so you can get back to streaming your favorite shows in no time. First off, why does this happen? Roku uses a PIN for security, to protect purchases and settings changes. If you've forgotten yours, it's not the end of the world. Start by grabbing your computer or smartphone and head over to the official Roku website. Make sure you're signed into your Roku account, the one linked to your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the PIN Preferences or Parental Controls area. This is usually under Settings. Roku might prompt you for additional verification here, like your email or password, to ensure it's really you. If you have access to your account recovery options, use them now. Now, for the reset. Click on the option to change or reset your PIN. Roku will ask you to create a new one. Aim for something secure but memorable, like a mix of numbers and letters. Confirm it, and you're almost done. Head back to your Roku device, and test it out by trying to make a purchase or change settings. One quick tip. If you're having trouble accessing your account, check your email for any Roku verification messages. And remember, always keep your PIN safe to avoid this hassle in the future. There you have it. That's how you reset your forgotten Roku PIN in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.